Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to create a form in Smartsheet. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to manage your work in a visual way. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, task management, and document collaboration. Now that you know what Smartsheet is, let's get started with creating a form. Step 1. Create a new sheet. The first step is to create a new sheet in Smartsheet. To do this, click on the plus button in the top left corner of the screen. Then, select Sheet. Step 2. Add columns to your sheet. Once you've created a new sheet, you'll need to add columns to it. Columns are used to store different types of data, such as names, email addresses, and phone numbers. To add a column to your sheet, click on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Column. Step 3. Add rows to your sheet. Once you've added columns to your sheet, you can add rows to it. Rows are used to store individual items of data. To add a row to your sheet, click on the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, select Row. Step 4. Create your form. Now that you have your columns and rows in place, you can create your form. To do this, click on the Form tab in the top menu bar. Once you're in the Form tab, you'll see a number of different form elements that you can use, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, and checkboxes. To add a form element to your form, simply drag and drop it from the left-hand side of the screen to the right-hand side of the screen. Step 5. Customize your form. Once you've added all of the form elements that you need, you can customize your form. This includes changing the text, colors, and layout of your form. Step 6. Publish your form. Once you've customized your form, you can publish it. This will allow other people to view and fill out your form. Step 7. Share your form. Once you've published your form, you can share it with others. You can do this by sending them a link to your form, or by embedding your form on a website or blog. That's all there is to it. Creating a form in Smartsheet is easy and fun. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to create your own forms. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.